Hey guys, and welcome back. So here I have a simple fix for FIFA 23 in which you are getting the FPS drops or shuttering while playing your game. So let's go ahead and proceed. In very first step, right click on start menu and choose the option task manager over here. Here you need to close the client in which you are playing FIFA. Currently I am playing it with Epic Launcher. You need to right click on it and choose the option end task. Now close it. Now right click on the start menu again and choose the option device manager. You need to expand your display adapter. Right click on your graphic card present under display adapter and choose the option update driver. Choose second option browse my computer for drivers and again choose second option. Let me pick from the list of available drivers. Now choose the manufacturer of your driver and click on the next button to continue updating the latest drivers. Now once it is finished, close it and close the device manager. Now once it is done, head over to your settings menu. Under settings menu, choose the display over here. Scroll down and click on advanced display. Here you will find the option of display adapter properties for display 1. Click on it. Click on Intel HD graphic control panel, or you have AMD or Nvidia. Choose that particular control panel and then refresh rate. From the drop down list, you might have seen 120, 144 or even more than 144 refresh rate. But you need to choose refresh rate lower than 120 FPS. This is the turning point, friends. It is because FIFA doesn't design to process more FPS than 120 hazards. So make sure you lower your refresh rate lower than 120, either 60 or up to 120. I suggest you to go for 60. Once done, hit apply and OK button. Now close the settings menu. Now let's proceed with the next step in order to fix the FPS drops and shuttering in FIFA 23. You need to again open your control panel, whether it is Nvidia or Intel. For Nvidia, you need to click on the manage 3D settings under the control panel and you will find the option of vertical sync. In vertical sync option, you need to choose the option on. So make sure you turn on the vertical sync in Nvidia control panel. And for AMD, under the AMD settings control panel, you need to click on the global graphic settings and then turn on wait for vertical refresh. Yes friends, this is simple fix for FIFA 23 whenever you are getting FPS drops and shuttering while playing this game. These three steps combining will help you to achieve your FPS and you will be able to play FIFA 23 without any kind of shuttering or FPS drops. This is all about it, friends. This is how you will fix the shuttering drop error in FIFA 23. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.